Introducing Hohner's new updated Golden Melody Reshout Plus featured artist, and here we have the harmonica itself, and today we're going to try and play it in the rack, and it fits better in the rack compared to the old ones. The chords are not too bad. So recessed into the comb for improved ergonomics and reduced air loss. New covers feature a central notch at the end for optimal holding comfort. You have this little notch here, but it also has these little lipped combs, which is great for the rack because the old one didn't really sit well in the rack. This one sits nice and tight and clamps lovely into the rack. Comb has undergone a new covers and to improve handling by rounding off the outer edges. The attractive haptics are enhanced by a non-slip mat. Hohner classic reed plates are fitted with our finest brass reeds and are tuned to equal temperament to facilitate single note playing in all positions and keys, while retaining the warm tone which has made it a favourite of single note melody players in many styles. The new Golden Melody Progressive offers a fuller, more powerful sound combined with optimal playing. We hope you like it. If you do, get in touch with the Harmonicas in Ireland, me, you can order your new Harmonicas. Just thing about the packaging too is that in the old package you had this big box, and with this one is half the size, so less packaging. Also with the old one you had a plastic box, and with this one you have a cardboard box, so again sort of more recyclable and less plastic. That's the new Golden Melody, folks. Golden Melody looks fab, fantastic. Torx screws, brand new comb, so no need to change the comb. In this one they've addressed everything and it's super duper class harmonica. Go get them here at harmonicasireland.com. Check it out, subscribe please. Talk to you. Bye bye.